So hi guys, today is Good Friday. Ngayon, of course, if you seen my video, naghimo gid mig binignit, and yes, just like yesterday, naghimo sad mig binignit karon. And my wife, as you know, naman sa hospital kasi sa frontliner niya. Of course, ganahan sa to magbinignit. So ano na, ang binignit na to. So ato na siyang dadaan og binignit karon. Og ano, hopefully malipay siya. Then yes, kuan ta, kumugawas ta, ay kalimot sa pass nimo. Then of course, og kuan, mga IDs in kaso lang. So let's go, let's hatod. Let's maghatod tag binignit karong adlaw. Ang presyo ron sa gasolina, 31 pesos ang diesel, ang gasolina around 37. Grabe na kabarato. It's the heat of Rakuan, grabe ang summer, init na kaayo. And yes, so traffic lights are disabled, but you know, sa ato we have speed limits. I think it's 40 kilometers per hour lang, and even in some places there like CBP, so it's supposed to be 20 kilometers per hour, bro. Grabe sad ka ng 20 kilometers per hour. I don't know, so brasa na din na kamo pislit sa gasolinador which is, I don't know, lisod na i-follow actually, but yeah, basta magpahinay lang ay lang pakusog.
Approaching speed hump.
Wow, even ang auto ni pahinay ko. So mingaw gid kayo. See, amo na ba? Wow. It's like early morning.
Slow down. Pedestrian crossing.
Daghan kayo kuan. Murag yeah, it's like adlaw. And that's life right now during the ECQ of the enhanced community quarantine here in Cebu and April 2020. This time gamit gid kay ni mga people like Lalamove, Grab, even kuan angkas padala, and even a Food Panda for example, kay magpa-deliver naman lang gid ang mga tao. But wala, it's gonna be kuan, I don't know, once this lifted, a lot of changes will come. Basically, I think people now see the merit of, you know, food delivery, less contact. So I think online businesses would somehow, yes, thrive. Somehow would improve, and I think most businesses will start investing towards that. Diba? Mao ginay mahitabo ana. Sa reality, may mga pandemics, but also the people now find the convenience of having delivery. Nakakinalan mo gawas, but of course, lamig gyapon mo gawas. I mean, mangumpra gyud, makapili ka, but you know, nasa merit gyud ang mga delivery, like especially kung mga pagkaon lang nakahibaw na ka, like let's say you want McDonald's, you want Jollibee, kung ano kayo na, that's gonna be hindi nakakinahanglan magpili-pili ba kasi bawa naman kasi mong orderon. Pero mga prutas for example, namang mga tao na medyo prutas, isda, ganahan yun kayo, OC yun kayo ba na they want really to pick the fish for them. So lisod sa lang delivery, alangan naman papicturean ni mga isda, di ba, o mga prutas kung na may itong gamay. Sama na. So we're here now in this carrio, and this is yeah, well, Bernie Santo man sad, so ingana gina ang thing ang traffic sa Escarrio na, but on normal days this is gonna be packed. But yeah, this is the situation right now on Good Friday in Cebu. Yeah, traffic's light, though there are still people outside, but yeah, traffic's very light. Although the travel time didn't change much, because if you observe the proper speed limits. So but if you didn't, probably paspas kayo yung biyahe, but mas mainang musunod yung itas sa atong speed limits. So this is Juana Osmeña. So you check it out, of course. Oh, never tao dere hani. Basta kang ECQ niya. We're going to Cebu Doctors. So basically this is Cebu Doctors, this is side entrance pero mana. Yeah, only reality right now, you have to wear masks when you go outside. Some stores won't allow people to go inside without masks. Yeah, money reality bitaw ron, but yeah, in the future pandemics, yeah, mao gani unang tanaw na to. You have to be careful. We always kita mong sige gawas, wear masks, be stock food, pero yet, lahi ng life yet. Maybe once this lifted, I don't know what happens, pero mana maybe will be less social, quote unquote. Yeah, di na tawag tabian baya ko, so probably di na mong tabian kaayo. And there's my wife. And ano ni? Sa kaila. Lain ang auto. Oh, nana iyang Binignit. Sus, for the love of Binignit. Sus, bye-bye. Kung saan na nimong sudlanan?
Ako iwas.
Kara imo na ikaw na da. Okay. Love you. Mana yung mga naong mga frontliner, naka-scrubs sila. So, we finish our mission. Nakahaton na tayo sa Binignit. And of course, dito pwede maghapit-hapit ug lang mga lugar. Let's go home. Ano ni? We're gonna pass Capital area. There's grab food. It's a provincial capital. I think proactive kaniyang governor ato sa Cebu dire. And si Governor Gwen, I think naghapon ron nagtrabaho tingay ron bisag Bernie Santo. I think hopefully and say press con ron, say balita, hopefully way mga bagong cases. Na-issue ay aghapon ang kuan. Ano atong ng Binignit kay daghan kay tao sa carbon, but yeah, even ganina daghan gihapon, but I think it's now more controlled, but hopefully yeah, wa gyud kaso na kuan. Yeah, init na gyud kayo tanawa, init. Basig this is a factor sa pag-spread sa disease kani super kainit. But yes. Oh, napay ni break sa rules. So, abre bang Jollibee? I don't know. Basin, abre. Mana, bilib sa gus mga tao na nag-abre gihapon bisag Bernie Santo, nagtrabaho gihapon, oh, kariyo na yung guy na nag-ipos og basura. So, this is how Cebu looks like on Good Friday. Petron sarado. At least gipapahuwaysan nila ilang mga trabahante. Although malagi di ila to feel ang Bernie Santo because you know it's been Bernie Santo for a while sa mga tao. So far yes, this is what the Cebu looks like. It's actually cleaner, it's spacious, it's no traffic. Though it's pretty hot. Some roads are closed. So hi sa mga taga Cebu Parkline International Hotel na padayon sa pagluto og mga pagkaon para sa mga frontliners. Hi Chef June. And mana hi sa mga frontliners kada barangay og sa mga nagman sa mga checkpoints. Okay, let's go. Manny Ayala. Mingaw kayo. Yes, of course.
Slow down. Pedestrian crossing.
Yeah, supposed to be 20 ang speed limit sa Maring. Lisod speed 20. Yeah, but yeah, as much as possible, yeah. Ito magpapakusog direct dagat. Bisag hawan gingdan. By the way, na disgrasya gi kuno dapit ra sa moa. Gamotor, bulhot kaayo. Hubog tingali sa manang, yeah, I think kung this might be a stressful time, daghan maghubog-hubog, pero kung mahubog sad mo ay na mo gawas kay
Slow
marag
down.
lisod
Approaching
kayo.
speed hump.
Awan kaya mong daan, no? This is Hernan Cortez Street. We're close to home. And yes, wala mukha uli nita, pero pas-pas ra ang biyahe. Why blema and okay bug na lang, cool ra mga nagman sa checkpoints. As long as na may pass o sakto inyong kuhan ha, na may exemptions. Pero kung wala, ayun lang gid mo paglaag-laag or else madakpan mo. We're back home. And there's our guards. Lingaw ka niya mga guardere kay ilag yung limpyuhan ang kada ligid, kada abot. So nasa siya, oh. Awa niya akong amigo. Oh, ano mga gwapong guards dire. Oh, starring na sad ni sila. Oh, starring na sila kung very good kay mga amigo dire.
Ano yung guardia dito sa dito?
Oh, napas mayo dito. Kaon kag pan ha. Oh, inspector. Oh, mau na. Oh, limpyuhan ng ligid. Ay, tangag kuan, murag chlorine water. Oo, kayo.
I-vlog ni Rod.
Oh, i-vlog yun eh. Oh, bisag Bernie Santo nagtrabaho na sila. Man, ibilba na ko nila. Oh. Oh, Bernie Santo. Oh, sag init. Oh, okay, salamat chef. Oh, kasi. Oh, salamat sa Diyoday. Wala, salamat sa tos mga tao na abrig hapon na mga namaligyag tubig. Wala akong ganahan sad kay lisod sa may tubig ron, oh kani oh miyo nagdag tubig. Yes, so muna abrig hapon ay tubig, so thank you. Oh yeah, abot na to sa balay. So wala guys, thank you so much for watching our this ECQ vlog. You know, it's a tough time for everyone. It's a good Friday, but it's time to reflect also, to ask forgiveness, to change our ways. I think somehow this pandemic is changing our ways. We will survive. We will rise up again. And thanks to all frontliners, thanks to all people, thanks to all, everyone. Bisag sa imo, thank you for cooperating, thank you for doing what's right, and especially kato sa mga who are doing good, helping the frontliners, helping the people, supporting bisag dili ta frontliner, bisag backliner ka, thank you gihapon. Oh, so by the way, the other one, if you wanna support the frontliners, check out Cebu Backliners. Nami kanta basically, but I'll give you an excerpt sa kanta na ipanumpa ko by Okaraga. Dayon, wala. Kung ganahan ka mo suporta, tanawa lang sa description. And yeah, check out this video. Check out our full video, by the way. Pakitaan mo na kung excerpt sad sa full video na mong gibuhat na for the frontliners. But yeah, you check out sa Facebook sad. Wala.
Panumpa ko.
Ipanumpa ko.
Ipanumpa ko. Ipanumpa ko. Di kabyaan.
Di kabyaan.
Ipanumpa ko. Di kabyaan.
Di kabyaan.
Di kabyaan. Ipanumpa kong di kabyaan.
Kaandam ko mahulog uban.
Isa na sa talanon. Nining panahon.
Ang kinabuhi ko.
Kanina Ipanumpa ko. Ipanumpa ko.
Ipanumpa ko, digyo ko mubuhi. Ang kinabuhi ko, kanimo lang. And muna guys, that's what happened to my Good Friday in 2020, April 10, 2020. Cebu streets are really closed lang, ay kuan lang, hawan kaayo. People love Binignit. Kahit pa paano, people still respect na it's Good Friday. People watch masses online like mga city palabras. So believe sa gihapon ko kahit pa paano the faith continues, somehow changed, but it's still there. And yeah, I hope I use this time to reflect, to think about changes that we have to do, and you know, we pray that we can overcome this global pandemic. Yeah, let's pray for not only for ourselves but for our region, but also for our country and the world. Because yeah, you know, there are places that struggle pa karon, but I think the collective, the humans, kung magtinabangay ito, I think we can overcome this and learn a lot from this one. Now the skies are clearer, we could live with less, and I think there are more things to learn. So ikaw, what are your reflections? Let me know what you learned so far with what happened with the COVID pandemic o kada sa quarantine. Unsa man imong mga changes ka, let me know. Share some ideas at basin na, you know, wa sa ko ka bantayan na. And see you na sa sunod natong mga videos guys. Bye bye.